Since we're doing an evening, I'm going to go inside of Kim's eye with a black pencil again. I'm going to go the outer corners, just going to put it a little bit underneath the eye on the outer corners. And I'm going to blend that inward with a little brush. So just using a warm kind of brown color eyeshadow, just brush lightly underneath the eye. And then you'll have that brown color blending into the black that's inside of her eye. Now in the tear duct here, which is where the eye begins, I'm putting on a product. It's like a loose powder shadow, and it's called Bedazzle, and it's by Giella Cosmetics. And it's like a custom blend line, and they created this just the perfect color to put in the tear duct over here. I'm applying mascara on her bottom eyelashes. This is optional too, you don't have to do it. Some people don't like to, some girls really love it. Kim loves it, I love it. So this is a bronzer I'm using by Smashbox. It's a matte bronzer, and I like to use this on Kim right here, on the hollows of her cheeks here. It kind of contours the cheekbone there. So you just put it there, like from the top of the ear, coming down to here.
I love this bronzer, and I think it's really important to use a matte bronzer because so many people use bronzer with shimmer in it, and that just ruins it all. It almost gives this dirty effect.
Yeah, you wanna place shimmer separately after you do the bronzer to the areas where you want to shine, because if you put shine all over, you're just gonna look like a little bit muddy. So I like to frame the face with bronzer, basically, underneath the chin and on the jawline a little bit. It just warms up the skin. Kim loves to be bronzed, so the more the merrier. I'm gonna contour Kim's nose right now, and it's really simple, but it's hard to get when you're doing it on yourself for the first time, just because the color has to be perfect, and the amount of pressure you apply with the brush and the type of brush you use. So I don't recommend you do it and go out like it's something you probably want to practice doing. I'm just quickly adding some of the bronzer to the bridge of her, to the corners of her nose.
Now it's blush time. You love this Kevyn Aucoin pink blush.
Kevyn Aucoin pink blush in J'adore. I use it a lot, and I love to use it on Kim because Kim loves pink blush. So smile, and we're just gonna apply the blush to the apples of the cheeks, just right in here in this area, and that kind of connects into that bronzer. So we don't want to do like the old-fashioned blush where you take it to the corner of the ear here. You just on the apple.
It's very girly and pink.
Yeah, but it's very youthful. It gives a very nice youthful look. I like to do nude lips on Kim a lot. We've done plums and other things, but since we played up her eyes more for tonight, I'm gonna go with a more nude lip color. I'm using Ginger Root Cream Stick Pearl Liner from MAC. And it's just a really natural, pretty nude color. And if you like to overdraw your lip line a little bit, I don't really do it on Kim so much, just a little bit on the outer corners. But if you do, it's good to do it with a color that's very similar to the natural lip color. I usually like to blend different lipsticks. So today I'm going to use this lipstick called Brew from MAC. It's a very light nudish pink color, and I put that more so like in the center. There's a lipstick called Hug Me by MAC. It's a pretty natural light color. I'm going to use that more on the outside. I also like to mix lip glosses, so I'm going to mix this brighter color. It's called Glamour OD by MAC. It's Dazzle Glass. It's this new formula they have, which is really nice. It's bright, but once it's spread out, it's very sheer. And I'm going to mix it and lighten it with Sugar Rind, which is very pale.
You are like the mix master.
Thank you.
You can't just be like, I use one lipstick and one lip gloss. It's like 2 lipsticks and 2 lip glosses.
Sometimes 4. And to highlight the center of her lip, just kind of makes them look fuller. Not that she needs it, but why not? It's a Estee Lauder color. It's like crystal clear, I think. But it's a kind of a champagne-y color, and that color you just want to put like right here in the center, and then kind of like right up here too. And that's that.
This is the famous Mario face, the one I've been waiting for so long.